Ever felt like your APIs are written in bunch of different ways? For example, a team is following camel case while other teams are using snake case. Believe it or not, this is a recipe for disaster and over time leads to frustration amongst developers and sometimes even loss of productivity. But before we move ahead, let's talk a bit about what is API style guides and automated linting. An API style guide is a reference that outlines standards and practices for designing APIs. A reference that can help ensure that everyone on the team follows basic design patterns. It can include rules about design style, authentication, path naming, error codes, and versioning, amongst all other things. While API linting is a process that uses these sets of rules to check whether an API design complies with the style guide. Having an established style guide enforced by automated linting like APIwiz increases consistency in your APIs. Consistent APIs result in better productivity in developers and can potentially lead to faster development cycles. That's because there's no time wasted in deciphering inconsistent code. At APIwiz, we understand that the process of manually writing the rules and enforcing the style guide is a tedious and slow process, and it's often prone to errors. Hence, by leveraging APIwiz linting, you are providing a single source of truth to your organization when it comes to API design. It results in better developer experience for your internal developers as well as your API consumers. Now that we have understood its significance, let's dive in to see how to create your API style guide and enforce it.